Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today on Tuesday, September the 8th, 2020. We have here only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and this one, yes, will be number. Let me focus the Sudoku, the image. I need a good image. Yes, it will be 1-4. Yeah, what number will this be? Let me see, because 8-4. Yes, it's an 8-4. 1-4-8-4. Yes. All right. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. Let me see. 1, 2, 3 plus 5 is 8, plus 1 is 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14, plus 5 is 19, plus 4 is 23, plus 3 is 26, 27, 28, 28. Is this correct? 2, 5, 9, 14, 16, 19, 20, 25, 28. Yeah, 28. So it must be easier than a one-star Sudoku if you compare. The one-star Sudoku has 27 printed numbers. Alright. Once in a while, I solve a Sudoku with no comments, no talking. Just watch and learn. Alright? No talking. Alright. Let's get started. I'm scanning. 6. Alright. 6. 5. 7. Ay, 7. 1, 2. 1. 8. 1, 2, 3, 9, and 5. 1 digit should be the 4, 3, and the 2. 1 digit should be the 4, 4 9 3 and 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 9 3 3 2 9 3 2 3 2 1 2 3 4 and a 9 here. We have a 9 here, 4 and a 3. This is 4, and this should be a 2, 2 and a 8, and a 9. Is this a 9? Yes. 9 9 9 8 8 8 8 3 and a 4 4 and a 2 and a 3. Yes, and the final 2, the 4 and the 9. Finish in 6 minutes. Alright. Sudoku Medium, without talking, without comments. Maybe it's going too fast for you, but once in a while you need the speed and train your brains to think fast. So I have solved this within 6 minutes. Alright. I like this one. Thumbs up if you do. Also, otherwise, thumbs down if you dislike it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, you can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Don't forget, you can also subscribe, only if you like, only if you want, and hit the bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new ones to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you soon with the additionals. Bye bye for now.